Hello. If you want to extract text from a document or image, you can easily do so on a Windows operating system without installing any additional software. All you need are two built-in tools provided by Windows, the Photos app and the Snipping tool. Both tools can automatically detect text within an image and convert it into selectable, copyable text. This way, you can obtain the text directly in digital form without the need to type it manually, making it easy to paste into other documents. To evaluate how effectively the text recognition feature works with different fonts, I conducted tests on 10 images prepared with various fonts and documents containing 3 different typefaces. I scanned these documents using a scanner and also took photos of them with a phone camera. The test results showed that, despite the different fonts, the text recognition feature was able to accurately and successfully detect and convert the text into digital form to a great extent. This tool has been available to Windows users since March 2025. If you're using a version of Windows released before this date, you can upgrade to the latest version with all the new features by updating the Microsoft Photos app through the Microsoft Store. On Windows, photos are opened by default with the Photos app. If it's not set as your default viewer, you can right-click on any photo, go to the Properties menu, and use the Change option to set Photos as the default app. However, the Photos app only launches when an image file is opened. It cannot be started independently. Once the photo is open, you can quickly scan the text within the image by clicking the Scan Text option located at the bottom center of the screen, allowing you to extract and copy the text with ease. At this stage, the text within the image becomes selectable with your mouse. You can either highlight and copy a specific part or right-click to select and copy all the text at once. Once copied, you can paste it into any software you like. This tool works effectively even with different fonts, making it easy to use in a variety of scenarios. This text recognition feature is available exclusively to Windows 11 users through integration with the snipping tool. After taking a new screenshot or opening an image with the snipping tool, you can click on the Text Actions option that appears on the screen to scan the text within the image. Once the scan is complete, you can easily copy the extracted text. We specifically mentioned the snipping tool because, unlike the Photos app, it allows you to copy text in table format when the content is structured as a table. This feature is especially useful for users who frequently work with tabular data. Thank you for watching.